Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by softening the outer layer so the cast edge can be loosened safely. Use lukewarm water sprayed for 10 to 15 minutes while protecting exposed skin with a thin barrier. Once done, gently lift the edge with blunt bandage scissors. You are not cutting into skin, but separating softened fibers. Make sure to cut only the cast material, angling blades away. If resistance feels unusual, stop and re-wet the area to avoid tearing the underlying padding or skin. Now you transition to making controlled cuts and removing the cast halves. Make 2 parallel lengthwise cuts through the outer shell, keeping one hand under the limb to support and stabilize it. Once both cuts are complete, peel each half away slowly. This reduces pressure on swelling or healing tissue. As you peel, trim and remove inner padding in small sections. You are avoiding sudden pulls on adhered dressings. If fabric or padding clings to wounds, stop and rehydrate. You finish by cleaning and assessing the limb to ensure safe recovery. Gently wash the exposed skin with mild soap and lukewarm water, pat dry, and inspect for redness, open wounds, or skin breakdown. Apply a light emollient to dry areas and cover any abrasions with sterile gauze. This soothes and protects. If you encounter persistent numbness, increasing pain, or a large open wound that won't stop bleeding, seek professional medical care immediately. This is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.